Hey everyone, welcome to this quick tutorial on the sum function in Excel. If you want to learn how to quickly add up numbers in your spreadsheets, you're in the right place. Let's dive in. You can use the sum function with manual numbers. Just type equal sum 3, comma 6, comma 47 and hit enter. Excel will give you the total right away. Now if you have numbers in cells A1 to A5 and you want to add them up, click on the cell where you want the result, type equal sum A1, A5 and hit enter. Done. You've got the total. Need to sum multiple range? Easy. If you have numbers in A1 to A5 and B1 to B5, type equal sum A1 A5 comma B1 B5 and hit enter. Excel adds them all together. You can also sum individual cells. For example, to add A1, B1 and C1, just type equal sum A1 B1 C1 and press enter. Simple, right? Let's say you have price in column A from A1 to A5 and you need the total cost. Just type equal sum A1 A5 in the cell where you want the total, press enter and you're done. And there you have it. The sum function in Excel makes adding numbers a breeze. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick Excel tips. Thanks for watching and enjoy your day.